you're done with this, nobody's gonna be hungry anymore. I got a giant weak spot for cooking legs. I love pig legs, I love lamb legs, I love beef legs. Legs are just, I don't know, they're so satisfying. It's not really normal to cook a whole leg unless it is, boom, lamb. Today we're cooking lamb. I'm excited, Morrison excited, everybody excited. We love lamb. And of course, I'm not showing up with just any leg of lamb. This is a Dutch leg of lamb from a heritage breed, and it is so beautiful. This is absolute perfection. It is not too old, not too young, perfectly laced with fat and a lot of meat. Beautiful color, not too dark, not too light. This is going to be so amazing. Let's start prepping this leg of lamb. The first thing that I want to do is take the bone out of this leg because I got big plans for this leg. Don't worry about making it look pretty. Just take it out by working your knife along the bone and taking it out. Make sure to keep the meat in one piece. The next step is that we're going to butterfly this leg. Use your knife to cut open the big parts and fold it open until everything is completely flat. Of course, the bone that's left over is absolutely perfect for a soup or a stew, or you can feed it to the dog. And here is why we needed to butterfly this leg, because I know some of you guys are going to be, oh man, you took the bone out, that's the best part. But seriously, this is better. So bear with me here. We're going to use Ras El Hanout, and I bought some at the supermarket. It's basically a 12 spice blend of Moroccan flavors or Middle Eastern flavor, because they have it in all kinds of countries around the Middle East. And where they sell it in the little shops, they all have their own blends, their own specific recipes. So it varies by region. Now I could have showed you guys how to make that rub yourself, but since I buy it always and it's always good, I'm just gonna stick with the easy way. I'm going to use the whole bag, which is 35 grams. There we go. In the jar. To that I'm going to add half a part of fleur de sel. To that we're also going to add some peanut oil. And if you guys were here, you could smell this. This thing is absolutely insane and it's so little work. I can almost guarantee that it's going to absolutely taste amazing. It's just salt and a spice mix that is already pre-made and a little bit of oil. Man, cooking is so easy. And look at the magic happening. We're putting all of that flavor inside this leg of lamb. Spread it out real good, use your hands, rub it in, and then we're going to roll it back up and tie it together with butcher's twine. You can do this any way you like. Of course, we want to make it look good just a little bit, just to make it nice and attractive. And once it's all tied up, it's time to put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Man, don't know why we put it in the fridge. It's so freaking cold, Martian. Come on.
But it looks really good.
It does look good. Let's fire up that grill. I got all my 5 burners on our Napoleon Prestige Pro. Time to put our beautiful lamb in the rotisserie. And this is going to be so amazing. So we're going to hit that on button and let it rotate. I'm going to close the lid and let the outside caramelize while the inside slowly cooks. While we wait for our roast to be done, it's the perfect time to make a sauce. And we're going to make a yogurt-based sauce, so we're going to need 450 grams of that. A pressed garlic clove. To that we'll add a squeeze of lemon, fresh ground black pepper, salt, a Turkish chili pepper, sugar, minced coriander and minced mint. Now we'll mix it all up and perform our good old taste test. Oh, this is the good stuff. Absolutely perfect to go with lamb. I'm still licking my mouth from that sauce. It was so good. I promise you guys, give that sauce a try. I know it's just yogurt, but it tastes so freaking amazing. Let's check on our lamb. Oh, it looks so good. When the barbecue came up to temperature, I turned off the center burners and just kept the outside on so we had indirect heat. And we're getting close to the finish point because we got another 17 minutes to go according to our app. And we only did it in 24 minutes. I know you guys question me a lot about my cooking times, but hey, I get it off my app, so the thing counts better than I can. So I'm just trusting this thing here. Now, we're going to keep on running this, but when we get closer to the end, around 5 minutes to go, I'm going to turn on the back burner and build up a crust. Look at it! Oh man, this smells so amazing. This is like the best part of this roast, is like the smell of it just fills up everything. And that's the herb mix, that's a Ras El Hanout. It's just one of the most exciting mixes of herbs that you can have. Just a little bit of salt and we solved everything. We got a great dish, we got our sauce, we got a little bit of bread, of course we got our peppers. This is like something that European people could do a little more. We could cook this a little bit more. We got all these great neighbors and down south in the Middle East, and they have all this amazing food, and we hardly use it for what it is. Because it's so beautiful, so delicious, so easily cooked on a barbecue. So, without further ado, let's just start eating. All right, hashtag feed the editor. We have to do this.
I'm very happy about this. All right, let's go. This smells so good.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh my God, this tastes so amazing.
So much flavor.
The sauce, the meat, everything is so good, man.
It's weird how tender this leg of lamb is. But then, this is one thing you gotta keep in mind. Slice it thin. Thick slices, you're gonna be in trouble. Thin slices.
Morrison, you gotta try this. Fast before I eat anything.
A little bit of bread, a little bit of the yogurt sauce, a little bit of meat, black olive, a pepper. Oh, that's my job. My job is to eat everything. Your job is just to sit and attract the viewers.
Let's try pepper. God.
Yeah, you gotta edit it in.
The pepper just exploded.
It is exceptionally good. When you go to one of these shawarma places after you went out on a night on the town and you start eating this, but then 100 times better. Because it's juicy, it's tender, and it has a lot of flavor.
I will leave a lot for the rest, for Morrison and Rule, because otherwise they won't feed me anymore. So I'll just stick to the bread and some sauce. Man, I gotta come here more often.
No.
I'm gonna invade your farm.
No! No! I gotta try. I must try this. Wow, that's juicy.
I told you. It's really good.
Wow.
It's really, really good, right? If just many people would watch lamb videos, we could make more lamb recipes.
Can we do like lamb once a week? New channel. A lamb only channel. Lamb everything.
Lamb everything.
Lamb everything.
We would have a pasture full of lamb.
The dog can watch the lamb.
Yeah, we have a lamb guard dog.
It's really nice. It's really nice.
Whose idea was it to feed the editor? It's
Thank you,
just
guys.
such a dumb idea. I'm starting a new movement because I feel so pressured that I gotta eat everything really quick. First I had to share with Morrison. I'm not good at sharing. I'd rather eat alone. I have to share with my dog, I have to share with the kids, with the wife. Everybody's always concerned that we're stuck here with all this leftover. Well, let me tell you one thing. I ain't never seen no leftovers here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Big thank you to our patrons and our YouTube members. See you guys next time. Until then.
Eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.
That's right.